Alright guys, so I'm finally back. I had some issues with the computer and the other stuff. So I finally decided to make another video. Sorry for all this dirty uh, uh, table, because this is all from the paint. I finished painting the car, and today I figured I want to make a video where you guys can check this thing that I bought. It's I think if you want to go into Eclipse car, or pretty much any other car, I think everybody should have a something like this for their own car. It's a super good thing to have, and I know some of them are really hard to find, and some of them are really expensive. But yeah, this is the something that I wanted. I do have the AutoZone one, and I just I just think it's not as good. So yeah, I went and I bought a service manual for Mitsubishi Eclipse. This is chassis and the body, includes engines and transacts. So yeah, pretty much this book is everything you need to know about engine. I mean, everything you need to know about it, it's in this book for 420A as well as for 4G63. So everything, all the torque specs and all that good stuff is in here. Like right there. Shows you that ball needs to be 51 foot-pounds. You know, it shows you everything. So this is pretty much I would say a dealer shop manual or something like that, because I know Heinz manual, whatever it's called, that I bought from AutoZone, it just doesn't have it. I mean, it's just, I just wasted money on that thing, and yeah, I never found things that I needed. So yeah, this is pretty much everything you need to know about about that car, about Eclipse, and how to fix certain things, how to remove certain things, what's the torque, and that's what I was looking for. You know, all the little details. So yeah, it's most of it, like I said, it's in here. All the little most of the parts have their own drawings and explanations, and like they will tell you that's how much this bolt is getting torqued, you know, and some other stuff, even for crankshaft and all that. So yeah, I saw that one other YouTuber was using this, so I was like, yeah, that's awesome. So I gotta go look for it. So I went online and I looked at it, and the cheapest one was, I think at the time, $130 for the book. And I was like, that's just too much. I know it, you know, I always wanted it, but it just $130 is too much for a book. So I waited and I waited and I waited, and finally this one popped out for $50. I think it was 50 or 55. So I was like, let me offer him. So I went and I offered him 35 bucks, and he accepted. This few pages over here got damaged. I don't know from what, but I was like, nah, doesn't affect, because just those few pages anyway. It's just mostly it's troubleshooting and you know, the not important stuff. But then the rest of them, I went through it already, and the rest of it is really intact. Yeah, the thing is huge. It's heavy. Probably has I would say 6 pounds. and it does have this volume 1 and 96. I did notice there is one more that says electrical, so I will have to get eventually that one too, so I can have diagrams for electric and all that. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to get a manual, look for something like this. Look for this one. There is few of them running around eBay and other websites. They are kind of high, but yeah, look for this. This is way better than the AutoZone one, and you know, it's way more detailed. And because AutoZone, I was just disappointed when I opened it and I started looking for things. Some of them I couldn't find, and I couldn't find the diagrams, or it was just, you know, it was not that good. But now people will say, hey, why don't you just go online and check it out? I did went for a lot of things online, and I'm like, why can't I just, you know, have it in paper, and whenever I need it, I just pull this thing out, look at it, and, you know, instead of going looking on the phone. I know it's fast nowadays, but not all of us are fans of that. So yeah, this is definitely something you want to have, and I would say for any car. It doesn't have to be Mitsubishi Eclipse. It doesn't have to be Mitsubishi, or, you know, it could be Ford, or Nissan, or Audi, or BMW, or, you know, Lotus, whatever you want. So I would suggest to get one of these manuals. I'm pretty sure every car has it. So yeah, this is it, guys. I will try now in next few days to start putting videos more often, because I'll be honest with you, I'm running out of content, and right now the money is the problem. It's just you know, also I'm getting ready for a trip to Europe. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Make sure you like it, share with your friends, and subscribe. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Laters.